What's up, everybody? Big Daddy Vending here. What is your best selling products for the ones that have your single head, triple heads, candy vending machines? I'm just starting out. I got some locations like barbershops, lawnmower repair shops. I got gumballs, Skittles, peanut M&Ms, salted peanuts. What are your top sellers and product, and how easy was it for you to find locations, or how difficult were your clientele before you were able to get into your locations? Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and hope to hear from you.